Auckland stormwater drains are meant for rainwater only. It is a pathway for the rainwater to the sea. However, every time it rains, rubbish such as cigarette butts, plastic wrappings, bottle caps found near the drains are swept along with the rainwater and ultimately ending up in the sea, causing harm to marine life. According to an article in the New Zealand Herald, an average drain 130 pieces of rubbish, including food wrappers, cigarette butts, cigarette packets, pieces of polystyrene, pull tabs from bottles, cosmetic items, lollipop sticks, plastic bottles, bottle lids, cigarette lighters, plastic bags, glass bottles, and drinking straws are found. This rubbish, swept by the rainwater, ends up in the sea and onto our beaches, causing damaging and harmful effects to the marine life. 244 pieces of plastic were found in the stomach of one turtle, and that at least 44% of the studied bird species are known to eat plastic. One of the underlying causes of this problem is human carelessness and laziness. We are littering on the streets where rubbish has the potential to be swept into the drains when it rains. The main short-term effect from the small pieces of rubbish being flown out in the sea from drains will be the marine life getting sick as they ingest this rubbish. The main long-term effect will be the impact of food chain in the ecosystem as marine species are affected by the changes from the ingestion of plastic. Humans are affected by the problem as shown in the diagram of what goes around comes around, as they ultimately take in the accumulated toxins. The width of the problem is shown by the large number of marine life being exposed to the danger of consuming the rubbish, the export of the seafood, tourism, especially in water activities, livelihood of people, as some people depend on fishing as an income. If this issue is not addressed, this could affect humans widely as mentioned in the diagram of what goes around comes around. The solution. At the conjunction, this is where our idea of stormwater filtration will be installed. The pipe will be diverged into two pipes. One pipe will be used at a time. The rainwater carrying rubbish will be filtered through the cylinder-shaped filter. There is a sensor on the filter which will signal to the operator that the filter is full and needs to be changed. At the same time, the full filter will be automatically closed off while the second filter opens for filtration. Materials such as metal, solar power panels, networks of pipes, technology to scan and capture data already exists. According to the Auckland City Council, the stormwater drains all lead to a conjunction and then to the sea. Our solution will stop rubbish going into the sea as well as improve the situation of the underlying causes such as laziness and ignorance of people, as the data captured from the filtration system will be distributed as information to help people become more aware of the seriousness of littering. According to the Auckland City Council, there is no existing solution for preventing rubbish going into the drains and out to the sea apart from filter for leaves, which is not very effective in capturing rubbish. Our solution delivers value by generating growth. New Zealand has an image of being clean and green in the tourism industry. Through filtering rubbish in the drains, it helps maintain this image. Also, it reduces costs for the council attributed to lowering cleaning costs. The value added will be measured by the following KPI.
Created using Powtoon.